Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use screen capturing software so that you can record your compositions into videos and then see how they play back note for note in a video format. First, you're going to need the screen capturing software. I prefer Cam Studio since it's free and it does everything that it needs to. You just go to the web page and then click on download link, save it. I've already done that. And then you run it once it's downloaded. The second step is adjusting the settings of Cam Studio and recording the video and audio. I recommend recording video and audio separately for the sake of sound quality. So the first setting that you want to change will be under Options, and you will click Do Not Record Audio. In order to get audio, you go to the File, Save As, under your Music Notation Softwares menu, and then you should have an option to save it to a type of a sound file. In this case it's WAV audio, but it could also be MP3 or another type. It'll take about 30 seconds to a minute depending on how long the piece is. I've already done it, so I'm not going to bother wasting your time. Next step is clicking on this button right here. Initially, the program Cam Studio is set to record to Flash files, and those are pretty useless for what you want to do. You want to record them to AVI, which can be used with many different programs. Once you do that, the final setting you want to change is change to region when you record. So when you record, you click on this, then you go here, you drag or start here and then drag to whichever area you want the video bounds to be in, and then you just start playing your file, and then when it's done you go to Cam Studio and then click on the stop button right here. The final step is editing your audio and video file. It's a pretty simple step. First you import your media, which is your sound file, and then your video file. So you drag them both here. And then with audio you estimate a time that it begins. So you go to the beginning, I recommend zooming in a bit. I'll show you why in a second. You click on start. Then you stop right when the sound begins. Then you note when exactly the video begins so that you can synchronize them. So right now, I'm trying to move this just before this. Now I'm going to start again. And it's on almost perfect alignment. For our purposes, this is good enough. Now I'm going to publish to this computer, save it, and then I prefer to save it under Windows Media HD 720. You can save it whatever you want. This is a high quality and it'll look very nice wherever you post it. And you click on publish, and then your video is created.